thing on? My name is Matthew Chase from Austin, Texas. I've stumbled onto some very, very valuable information that they don't want you to know. But you need to know about the house. You need to know about the house of quality. It might save your life or your product design someday. Oh, shit. This form of quality function deployment is a diagram shaped like a house. On the left, list and group together your customer needs or attributes. To find these, you must be persistent, conducting interviews, surveys, field research, and even focus groups with prototypes to learn what customers are looking for. Take note of how important each is to your audience, as you must rank them to be sure to give more attention to your customers' most important needs. Now, to fulfill these customer needs, you need to establish a set of engineering specifications or technical requirements. These must be quantitative, testable, and solution-neutral goals your product must achieve. It is vital that these specs are reflective of the needs, or your product will fail. They're on to me. I lost them. It's safe to teach you more now. The next important part of the house of quality is the customer perceptions and the relationship matrix. These are critical in understanding how your customer needs should be met and how those needs relate to the specs and your competitors' execution of them. Here is where you employ fuzzy logic to relate everything together in the right and middle of the house. Fuzzy logic is similar to Boolean logic, but rather than true or false, it gives degrees of truth. Find 3 competing products and rank their accomplishment of each customer need on the right. Then, in the middle, rate each customer need's relation to an engineering spec at their intersections. It is critical that you rate them on a 0, 1, 3, 9 scale. 0, none, 1 slightly, 3 moderately, or 9 very related. This grants you the ability, psychologically, to rank them more easily and accurately and avoid bias. Take this game controller, for example. Through our background research, we discovered the most important needs of our customers for a controller is that it is durable, comfortable, responsive, and affordable. We rank the customer needs based on the frequency of their response in surveys, and then we tie our engineering requirements to these needs with cost, material strength, weight, and response time. On the right, you can see our customer perceptions of each competitor we might be facing. And in the middle, you can see our relationship matrix showing how each customer need relates and how strongly to the engineering requirements. Notice all the requirements are quantitative, testable, and solution neutral with directions of improvement and target values. They're on to me. The last parts are the target metrics and the roof matrix. For each engineering requirement, we need to quantify them into a target value or range with units and a direction of improvement. For the controller, for example, response time improves as it decreases, so the direction of improvement is down. Up top in the roof, note at the intersections of the requirements whether they have a positive, negative, or no relationship. Target price and durability of material, for example, would have a negative relationship, since higher quality materials will cost the manufacturer more. They're on to me. I'm made. Quick. One final review. The House of Quality is a resource for you to use to organize and quantify the customer needs you've discovered in your background research. It's important you're mindful and unbiased when assigning weights to any item, as inaccurate rankings by the designer can lead to largely invalid quantitative results. Remember these steps, and you could make the next great gaming controller. Oh, I lost them. Think I'm safe.
Wipe the footage. They can't know about House of Quality.